This is the JBL Reflect Flow. The Reflect Flow is the latest model in JBL's line of Bluetooth wireless earphones. The unit comes with a micro USB cable and charging case, as well as 3 different sizes of ear tips and FreeBet enhancers. The earphones run on a 110 mAh battery which can last up to 10 hours in one full charge. The body sports an aluminum design with trims that vary depending on the color of the unit. It also has an impressive water resistance rating of IPX7. Features such as a hands-free call and voice assistant come in handy. It is also capable of ambient audio control, which adjusts according to the amount of noise in the surrounding area. The charging case flaunts an aluminum look and colored edges similar to the earphone's design. Both the charging port and the LED light are situated at the back of the case. The 850 mAh battery of the charging case gives an additional 20 hours of power for the JBL Reflect Flow, bringing the total battery life of the earphones to 30 hours. The JBL Reflect Flow is readily available in JBL stores nationwide for only 8,499 pesos.